elbow flexors and the wrist extensors here. Usually, if ever elbow flexors, they also have wrist extensors for the function. So, you stimulate two muscles here. When you have sabot, they will stimulate two muscles at a time. So, even on the, kaya siya ka-output, so another electrode here on the other side. Okay? There. And if you're going to switch this to tense, what the patient would just feel more more continuous, but you don't allow it to contract tense for siya. So, bilang this one. Okay. So, more siya na continuous. Here, this is for tense. Huh? Oh, okay, about tense.